नमस्कार दोस्तों, this is Gaurav Mavi and welcome to another English speaking video. So today I have gone through newspaper. Yesterday I couldn't upload the video. So the important news are about ongoing conflict between US, Iran and Israel, and the election commission ongoing SIR systemic role revision exercise, in which they are finding out all the voters all the voters who have got their ID card by fraud, or who have uh, like the voters who are dead by now, but still their names are there in the voter list, or the migrants who are not citizens of India but still holding uh, the voter card. So to identify these kind of people, and the people who are valid citizens of India, and they should they should have the voter card. Their name should be there in the electoral roll. So this exercise is taken by election commission, but many people has been left, their name has been left, and that's where opposition parties are raising this issue that this exercise election commission is conducting on behalf of central government, so that they can win in that election, and the people who are supporting the opposition party, they they will not be able to vote. The other news is related to, I have gone through two editorial. One editorial is about the overcrowding of jails in India. So in one of the jail of West Bengal, 92 cases was found in last 1 year of I think HRS virus. So this virus is common, but it becomes fatal in overcrowding conditions. So 92 prisoners got this virus. They became ill, and out of them 7 died. So this editorial discusses that out of in some of the jails, in that jail, even in that jail, the occupancy rate is 130%. That means the space is for 100 prisoners, but 130 prisoners are present in one of the jail. Even the occupancy rate is 400%. So overcrowding is one of the issue, and in some jails the cases of HIV has been found. That is due to screening doesn't take place when the new inmates comes, and the sharing of the equipment. So even Supreme Court has considered in one of its decision, in one of its orders, Supreme Court has recognized the right to health to prisoners. So this thing should be government should take note of that, and the space in the prison should be increased, infrastructure should be strengthened, and since majority of the prisoners in jails are all the people on whom the case or investigation is going on, right? The trial is going on. So fast trial will definitely help to decrease the number of prisoners, right? Because it has been found like most of the people spend their prison sentence, uh, even during the duration of trial. Other news is related to fire that broke out in Delhi. In 1 or 2 days, fire-related accident has happened across the India. One of the accident happened in Delhi, where 9 members of one family died. So it was very tragic. One person jumped off from the third floor by by taking his I think 1 year old or 2 year old niece. So that poor girl survived, but that person lost his life. So these things are becoming serious, and it is really very tragic. In Odisha also, in one of the hospital, fire broke out, and in the ICU especially, it is very dangerous because oxygen cylinders are there, right? And the people who are there, who attend the patients, they are not that much trained how to handle or control the fire. Even in I think in Bengal or Gujarat, I don't remember the place, but one EV, one electric car, when it was getting charged, exploded, and in that I think 6 or 7% lost their life. So that accident happened around 4 a.m. in the morning while the people were sleeping. So these were the news, like all of them are really tragic news. Innocent lives were lost. Precautions, and in Delhi incident, it was found that the personnel didn't have the safety net, so they could catch that person who jumped from the third floor. So at least his life would have been saved. And also their trolley, which they used to to go to the to different floor, that didn't work. There was some technical problem. So these things should not have happened. Other than that, this news is related to right to die. Supreme Court in recent judgment has in the first time permitted the withdrawal of life support to Harish Rana. Harish Rana was in a vegetative state for the last 12 years. He was not able to speak, he was not able to walk, he was not able to talk, he was just lying on the bed for the last 12 years after one accident, like due to some brain injury in that accident. And so in India, right to die with dignity is a fundamental right under Article 21, and right to marry to someone's choice is also a fundamental right. And in UPSC, these questions comes most of the times. Right to privacy, which was passed in Putta Swami judgment in 2017, that is also comes under Article 21. So Article 21 is very important, right? Initially, Article 21 was as per Constitution, it was due process of law, right? Or I think procedure established by law. Every person will have right to live with dignity. But later, narrow interpretation was its scope was increased, and now different in different courts verdict, different rights were recognized, like right to free air, right to pollution free environment, right to travel abroad. So these, in various Supreme Court judgment, these rights were included under Article 21. So in the recent Supreme Court judgment, even right to die with dignity has been included under Article 21. and now in Harish Rana the life support will be withdraw, and this is the first such case. So these were the important news, guys. Keep practicing your communication skill. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.